In this tutorial I will show you how to see your story archive on Facebook. If you want to view your archived Facebook stories, follow these easy steps. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the options, then select Settings. Once in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Activity Log section. Tap on it to open your activity log. At the top of the Activity Log page, you will see the Archive option. Tap on Archive, then select Story Archive. Here, you will be able to see all of your archived stories, including any that were saved automatically after they expired. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Facebook Story Archive. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing for more helpful tips.